Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm back on here because I need to finish this parcel. I received this and the parcel from Ida. Hang on a minute, yes. Oh, that's the name of her shop. Shar Fisher this is, what am I thinking about? Anyway, I've opened part way of it and my video and my card got full, and this will be part 2, and so I'm still up to doing this much. I went through this parcel, this part here, and I've done all that there, and I've got these beautiful little flowers here that she sent me. This is from Shar Fisher, S-H-A-R. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Gee, these are pretty, aren't they? Look at this. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Oh, thank you so much. I do love little tiny pretty flowers. Oh, look at that one here. Gee, they're nice. Thank you so much for these. I really love them. Thank you. It's always nice to have little embellishment bits, isn't it? It always is nice to have little embellishment bits. And I need to make more embellishments. I have a couple of comments. People say that they're too dear to buy, you know, and they're looking for more. Thought the cat might have been in the room here with me. I don't think so. He tries to get in. Yeah, the embellishments are expensive, and when you need to, thank you so much. These are really presented very well, thank you. Anyway, so I have one more to go, and look at this tape. Love the tape. I'm going to keep the washi tape. I'm going to use the washi tape, and I love the pattern paper too that you've used. So in here, so this is, let me see, can't get it. Oh, it's still wrapped up more. Okay, now let me see. We'll get into it in a second. Hang on a minute. Oh dear. Sorry, everybody. You have to excuse me. I ripped it. Oh, serviettes. Oh, love serviettes. I do. Oh, and I haven't got. We don't have nice ones here. Oh, look at that. Oh, the butterfly. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, thank you. Because as you know, they've all got 4 sides. Oh, look at that one. Oh, thank you so much for these. Yeah, they're beautiful. Love them. Oh, dear. I do love them. Thank you. And this one. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness me. Haven't I got such wonderful stuff that you beautiful people are sending me? Thank you so much. Oh, this is nice. Oh dear, aren't they good? I love doing things with these. Love transferring these onto stuff, and I just am going to be so excited doing this. Thank you so much for all these wonderful things that you've sent to me. This is so nice. Thank you, darling. I really appreciate that. And your Ada Jane Vintage is this. I can't say what that says. Something treasures, and where she has a that must be her YouTube thing. Anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.